my name is Amia, and I'm with my daddy, and the end of this video is gonna be a big surprise. So make sure you be watching this. So now let's get started. So here is my Shopkins collection that I already have saved, and here is my new 4 dolls that I wanted to add to my old dolls, and here's a box of Shopkins. So let's get started opening them.
Okay, here's the first one. Pippa Melon.
Pippa Melon.
Here you go.
And it's like she likes eating like watermelons. It looks like we have a train. I think I need some help here.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me get that from you, okay?
Okay.
1 second.
And it looks like this one doesn't have a suitcase, but the other ones have suitcase. And this one has a suitcase, but this one doesn't have a suitcase. This one has a suitcase too. Oh, I can't see my piece.
There's
Here's
that piece.
the
Looks like a little brush. Here you go.
Yeah, it's a watermelon brush.
Watermelon brush. And oh, there's one of the Shopkins.
Popped out.
Oh, here you go, catch. Good catch. Another Shopkin. Boop.
It looks like a watermelon stick. Daddy, it looks like a watermelon stick.
Oh yeah.
And here's the watermelon drink.
There she is. And she has 2 little shoes. There's her shoes. Okay, let's put them on.
Watermelon shoes.
Yeah.
Now, let's put her shoes on.
And she has a VIP credit card inside. Ooh. Let's pull that off too.
Can I see the credit card?
There's a credit card.
Can I see the credit card? Hold on, I need to get all this wrapper out.
It says she likes to tend her garden, and she likes the Fruity Cutie fruit cart. That's her favorite place to shop and use her credit card.
Would you help me open this credit card out?
Sure.
It's really hard. It has wrapper on it.
Okay.
Look at her, the doll guy. She looks like she loves watermelons. She does watermelons. And it looks like it looks like she likes going to the store and buying watermelons, right?
Yeah. She likes fruit and gardening. Let me see her. We'll put her on the table and we can do the next one.
And here's the stuff we need too. Here's accessories.
Pippa Melon. You can stand right there.
I think we need a base for it.
Yeah, where's her base at? We gotta find her base.
Would you like to check inside her box to make sure if it's in there?
Yeah, there it is.
And here's the accessories.
I'm gonna put her right on her base. Just
While we wait for my daddy to stand the doll up, I'm just gonna wait for him and I'm gonna tell him to get these accessories. The VIP accessory.
there she is.
Here's the accessory.
There's her stand, her credit card,
Her blush.
her brush. Ooh.
You can name it watermelon blush.
Watermelon. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
And then the Shopkins, let's do the next one here. We're going to do this one. Let's see what her name is here. Spaghetti Sue. Her name is Spaghetti Sue. Ooh.
It looks like she loves spaghetti.
Yeah.
So let's get started and open this. Oh, that's much better. Oh, look what it has inside this box. Look.
Whoa.
It looks so cool. Well, we'll get that out soon.
What is it here? Let me open it and then I'll give it to you.
It looks so
Whoa.
cool.
It's like their own little keychain. Let's see here.
Oh, look, Daddy.
Oh, wow.
Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy. It also comes with a suitcase.
Oh, wow.
Show everybody.
It's a Shopkins suitcase. Is there Shopkins inside? Let's see here.
See if there's any Shopkins.
No. Nope, not yet. Is there any in there we can put inside?
Yeah, look. There's Shopkins in here.
Okay.
Let's see it. Go out. Uh-oh. Guess I need some help.
Get her out of here.
And look, it also has
She
a
is.
Las Vegas.
No shoes yet. Ah!
Can I pull out the
Here's her
book?
shoes. There's her
Can I pull out
shoes.
the book, Daddy?
Yeah.
Wow, this looks cool. I'll show you how to play. Here's the front. Would you like to? Hey, Daddy, pick it up.
We'll put her shoes on for us. Here you go. There's one shoe, and her, and the other shoe.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Okay, now let's push that feet.
And here's the Shopkins she comes with. Looks like some spaghetti, little guy. And maybe a meatball spaghetti. Doop. And we can put it inside of here.
Here you go, Daddy.
And shut it up. Boop. Got her all set.
Hold on, Daddy. Let me put this on. Here, Daddy.
Okay. Put her on her stand. She goes. Like this. On her stand. And there she is. Okay. And we're going to do the third one now. This one is going to be Lucy Smoothie. There you go.
Lucy Smoothie. Let's open the Lucy Smoothie. It looks like she doesn't have a suitcase at all. Look in the box. She doesn't have a suitcase.
Nope. See what's in there though. Something's in there. Maybe it looks like she has a hair comb or something.
Yeah.
Let's pull it out and see.
Here's a credit card.
Credit card.
A VIP.
Another VIP credit card. Doo-doo-doo.
Here's my garbage, Daddy.
Thank you.
garbage. I dropped the garbage.
Okay.
I think I need someone else to get it out the doll. You can show everybody it.
Let's get the Shopkins pieces out first. There's one. There's one. Yep.
After my daddy gets out the doll and the plush.
See the other one? Whoa!
It's a smoothie.
Yeah.
It's strawberry smoothie.
Comb.
You have a last thing to open up. And then I put the scissors on.
Looks like she has a little ice cream headband. And get it out here. Whoa. She has an ice cream headband. Whoa. Let's put her shoes on. Here you go.
Hey, I don't know why she has these bumpy legs. She has bumpy legs.
Yeah, it's like maybe her boots or her, because it looks like maybe ice cream cone legs.
Yeah, or maybe like strawberry legs with
Yeah.
dots.
Yep.
It is strawberry legs because she loves smoothie strawberries.
Yep.
I think the next doll I know the name.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Macaroon. Does it say macaroon?
The last one?
Yeah.
Look,
Look,
me
does
see.
it say macaroon?
It says, yeah, melty macaroon. How'd you know?
Because her name is macaroon.
That's the last one.
Then we'll get to open the Shopkins box.
Oh, yeah. And at the end, there's a big surprise. It's going to shock everybody, huh?
There we go.
It's going to shock everybody.
We're shocking everybody. Get it?
There's the third one. Make some room, girls.
Here is all the Shopkins in the cold, Daddy.
Thank you.
I'll wait for you.
Okay.
Ooh, I'm hot.
Let's take a little break. Okay, we got one doll left. And what's her name?
Macaroon.
Let's open her. Get her. Oh, you're so strong. You ripped that open so good.
It was already open because of the magic.
The magic? Wow, okay.
See, also has a suitcase.
Wow.
Let's take that suitcase out first.
Anything in there? Let me see. Let me show them.
Nothing in there.
Oh, empty suitcase. Okay, grab the other stuff.
It reminds me I can use the suitcase for the LPS.
Yeah. Okay.
Here's some macaroons.
There's a macaroon shopping. Look at that. Whoa. Hi. 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 I like his face. Hi.
Here.
Another one.
Perfect.
Whoa, it's 3 macaroons stacked on top of each other. Look at that. That is cool. I like that one.
I'm going to get the book out now. Here's the book, Daddy, for Macaroon's member.
Cool.
For the airplane. For the airplane.
And another keychain.
Let's keep the
And a book. It says Shopkins World Book. It's a mini book.
And you open it, it has macaroons member.
The recipes.
Yeah, and also macaroons member, maybe?
Phone number?
Yeah.
You can call her?
Yeah.
Wow.
But we don't know what her text is.
Yeah, we don't know.
And we can also text the other dolls and call the other dolls. It's so cool.
That's cool.
But I don't think it's real. I think it's only...
There she is. She's my favorite. I like her hair and her dress. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. She looks so beautiful. And I love macaroons.
I'll put her shoes on. Put her on the stand. That's the fourth one. And next, we're going to do this.
Yeah. The longest... It's going to be... After that, we're going to open the longest box of Shopkins.
Yep.
And
there's
it
going to
also
be...
comes with 2 exclusives of these castles. One
Oh,
about
there
this
is.
thing, I need to tell you something. One cool about this thing, if you buy more of those castles, you get to stack a tower up, a big tower.
You can stack them up?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Because look, they have
Cool.
these little things under and on top, so you can stack them. Here we go. Now let's put on the sound. Here you go.
Perfect. So there she is. She's going to go right here next to her 3 other friends. Macaroon. She has her little box.
And you mean suitcase?
Yeah, suitcase. That's right.
He drives
Suitcase. And then her...
around. A suitcase doesn't fly.
Oh! And the macaroons.
I'm so excited to open this big box.
So you got 4 more to your collection now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now you have 13 dolls here. 13 of them, huh?
Yeah, that's a lot.
Here comes the big one. You ready for this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You need my help or you do it?
I need your help to help me.
Okay. I'll start it for you. You can rip right here. Go ahead, rip it open. Oh, you're so strong. Show me your muscles. Whoa.
That's the hardest muscle I can do.
Here, I'll start. Here, try to get those 2 out. I'm going to pop these out for you, okay? Look at these. Whoa, look at those. Let's go this way. So many more Shopkins. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's pop them out. Oh, there's 2 little surprise ones on the end. You see those? In the yellow bags. We'll do those last.
Ooh, I finally got this out.
You got it? Okay. Bring that over here so they can see. That's really cool.
Finally got them out.
Not yet.
Oh, it looks like we have more of those castles.
Really?
Yeah.
Hold it up so they can see. Bring it over here. Bring those two over here so you can see it. That's cool. Hold it up there by the camera. That's cool. So
castle and
also
ice
there's two. Here.
It looks like a Paris tower and some ice cream.
Yeah.
Go up to my bed. Ooh, this is a lot of work.
So this is World Vacation, Season 8, Boarding to Europe. That's what this is. And these are the other vacations. There's a French, Italy, Spanish, and UK holiday. Those are all the other ones.
Look, Daddy. Look. Look, Daddy.
Wow.
Hold on, Daddy. Look. It's an episode.
Come over here with it. So let's show them all the Shopkins you got here, okay? Let's show each one, okay? Okay?
Couple here.
So, you got, what's this one?
It's a Paris tower.
Paris Tower, huh?
Mm-hmm. Would you like to see? Would you like to see in the box where locations come from?
Yeah. We got this one, ice cream.
Yeah.
Cool.
Mm-mm. Do you know Las Vegas have? Do you know Paris has ice cream?
Does it? Uh-huh. That's cool, huh?
Mhm.
Here's the Katarina hat. You like that one?
Mhm. It has a Carolina hat.
Okay, now you show them and I'll give you the name, okay?
So here is the hat. What's the name?
That's another Katarina hat. There's two different ones. Put that one there.
Next to the another Carolina hat. You're gonna be talking.
Yep. Grab the next one.
Here's this one.
Show all those. That one's cool too.
It doesn't even bend.
Doesn't?
No.
That's okay. Keep showing them all. Show the next ones here. Set that one there. We'll keep showing more. Here's some other ones. It comes in the set.
I want to show this one today.
Whoa, look at that. Okay.
Look, it's a boat.
Show that one.
So here is the Shopkins boat. And it has
Cool.
seats. So what's his name?
Here's another one. Whoop. That one's cool. It's like a piece of cake with a fork inside.
And here is a ballerina dress. Oh, I think this one goes to here. Look,
It does.
because it matches the dress.
Another dress. Purse.
And here is a board with some painting and a paintbrush.
Yeah. Here's some blueberries.
And here is a bicycle where you ride to locations or some for places.
Here's a little violin.
What's this?
This looks like a little mixing glass, like a blender.
Blender.
Zzz, yep.
And here's a piece of cake.
Cake.
Yummy cake. They do have cakes in Paris.
Yep, and there's a little Irish man with a hat. Winking. Okay, then we have left the two surprise mystery ones
Yeah.
that are in the yellow packaging. You want to go ahead and open those? Here.
Yeah.
Open it right here so they can see it. These are the special ones.
Pass this on to the side. It looks like I need some help.
Okay.
I'm going to get some help with my daddy. It looks like a cuckoo clock.
Whoa, that's
awesome. Here's a
awesome.
cuckoo clock. I never...
What's this one? One more left.
It's a dress. I think this one goes to this one, maybe.
Okay. So that's everything that was in the set. Right there. There's the dolls. All the new Shopkins. And then the old ones. And then, didn't you say we had a big surprise at the end, Mia?
Yeah. So I'm going to go into my bed and wait.
There was a big surprise, right?
Mm-hmm. So,
Okay.
Are you ready, guys, for the big surprise?
There's a big surprise coming?
Yeah.
Well, okay. What do you think it is?
I think it's raining Shopkins.
Is it?
Are you guys ready to watch this?
Does it sound like rain's coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's gonna rain Shopkins?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's raining Shopkins everywhere. There's raining Shopkins. Oh my God, there's raining Shopkins. I better run.
Over here. It's raining. Look at all the rain. All the Shopkins everywhere. All over the floor.
It messed it up.
Hundreds of them. Oh no, it rained all over our new dolls.
Yeah, and they all fall down.
It got rain all over all of them.
Yeah, and they fall down.
Oh. Well, now there's a lot more new ones to their set, huh?
Yeah,
Look at
but
they're
they
everywhere.
all fall down.
They went everywhere.
Yeah, Shopkins everywhere. But the dog. Wow, that was a lot of Shopkins that we had to clean up. We needed to clean up, and we needed to stop the video. If you want to watch more of these episodes of Shopkins or LPS or more, so bye guys. That's